This is Viking Fun back for another YouTube video. This is a standard video, not a YouTube short, of Astrid, the Psycho Kitten. She's cute, but she's crazy. You can see this. You can see this. You can see it in full detail. She's crazy. She's a very crazy kitten. And you can see she really likes to chew on me. Really? Really, Astrid? Ooh, ooh. Just don't worry about that part. Girl, but she's even at the same time. Yep, she definitely is not a normal kitten. Yeah, you can see she's not. You can see clearly now that she's a psychotic kitten. Ooh, ooh, you like that? Yeah. This kitten is a nightmare. She's cute though. Yeah, a nightmare cute kitten. So yeah, please subscribe, and I'll do more videos with this crazy psychotic kitten. You know, the videoing and thumbnails are not easy to do. Because she's crazy. She's very, very crazy. My goal is to get to 100 subscribers or more. I'd really appreciate it if I can hit that goal soon. What do you think, Astrid? Yeah? You think that's good? Yeah? Can you... You can see... Oh, she... Yes, I have a very red face. I know. You can see it. You can see the killer instincts. Astrid, stop chewing on me. Say hello. Really? Okay. Alright. 2. See? So I'm gonna show you some things you can do. Do. Okay. She's officially the craziest cat I have ever owned. Look, wee. I think she's cute. Alright, I think that's all I need to do for the video of introduction of this kitten. I'll have to come up with a different title for this video to get views. I'll think of something. Alright guys. Please subscribe. So this kitten will have all the wet food she'll ever need. Alright guys. Liking fun.